fit the straight line corresponding to this data. Now, in the last lecture, we have discussed the normal equation and how to find normal equation. Here, we have to fit this line. It means the line of equation, we know that we are taking the line of equation, that is y equals to a plus bx, and this line we have to fix corresponding to this data. It means we have to find this constant a and b. Here two constants, so we required a two normal equation, and normal equation we find by using this constant. Now if we solve this equation and find the normal equation, we get first normal equation, that is summation of y is equals to a n plus b summation of x. This already discussed how to get this normal equation. Those don't know how to find normal equation, see the lecture 3, so you get the idea how to find normal equation. And here second constant is b, here b into x, so we have to multiply this equation by x and then take summation, you get second normal equation, that is this one. Now here in this two normal equation, we have to solve this equation and find a and b. For that we require the value of summation of y. How to get summation of y? Here in the example we have given values of y, we have to add this value, we get summation of y. Similarly, add this value of x, we get summation of x. It means this equation required summation of y, summation of x. Similarly, we have to find summation of xy, that is we have to take first product of xy and then take the summation, we get summation of xy. Second is required summation of x square. It means we have to find square of values of x and then take summation. And if we find this all the value, then put in this equation. And in the last lecture we have already discussed how to find this value by using calci. You can also try with the help of calci. Here I am drawing the table corresponding to this value. We are finding x square, that is square of values of x, and then take summation. Similarly, product of xy, so our table will be this one. Now we have to take summation, so we are take the summation corresponding to these values. We get here summation of x will be 15, y is 204, similarly x square and x into y. We get the summation, we have to just put these values in our equation a and b. If we put this value in this equation, then we get here this type of equation, that is summation of y is summation of y, that is 204. We put this here. Similarly, a into n, n means total number of variables, total number of values given in x. Here total values given in x column are 5, so n will be 5. Here n into a, that is 5 into a. Similarly, summation of x. Now we have get this two equation and we have to find a and b, so you can solve this equation simultaneously or you can use Cramer's rule to solve this equation. We get the values a is equals to 0 and b equals to 13.6. Our work is to find a and b, and we want to fit the curve, that is here we have to fit this curve, means we have to fix the line of straight line corresponding to data. If we put this value a and b in our equation, we get y is equals to 13.6x. It means this line is fixed corresponding to our data, and this is the best fit for